Do you think human breast milk is only for babies? Well, think again. Breast milk has become the latest cure-all fad for some adults. Yeah, they drink it because they think it can boost their immune system or prevent cancer. But are there really health benefits to drinking breast milk? And why are bodybuilders drinking it? This is Your Body On, drinking only breast milk for 1 month. Human milk is a superfood for infants. It contains whey protein and healthy fats for brain development. It can protect against infections, and it reduces the rate of adult health problems like obesity, diabetes, and asthma.
That sounds amazing.
But some bodybuilders drink breast milk in their protein shakes to build muscle mass. Many think the idea is crazy, but some mothers have embraced it for the extra income. So, is drinking breast milk harmful to adults? What does it taste like? Well, we'll find out by having you drink only breast milk for 1 month. Day 1. I bet you can't remember what breast milk tastes like. You probably haven't had it since you were an infant, so grab a glass and let me jog your memory.
Wait, why is it really sweet?
Breast milk is warm and has a sweet flavor, similar to oat or rice milk. Oh, and it's usually not a creamy white color like cow's milk. Human breast milk can be yellow, pink, or bluish, depending on what the mother eats or drinks. As an adult, you require 2,000 to 3,000 calories per day. In every liter of human milk, there are around 620 calories. So you would have to drink up to 5 liters of breast milk to meet your daily calorie requirement. That's a lot of human milk.
Yeah, it is a lot.
And whatever you do, make sure you get it from a verifiable source. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Day 5. You've been living on human milk for 5 days now. You're getting the number of calories, fats, and proteins you require for a healthy diet. But this breast milk diet isn't giving you everything you need, especially fiber. Yeah, that's critical to keep your digestive tract healthy. With your new diet, you have severe constipation. I hope you've got plenty of bathroom reading material. Day 10. After 10 days, you feel more energetic. If you're a bodybuilder, you might think it's helping with muscle recovery after a strenuous workout. Many athletes swear by it, but none of this has been backed up by scientists. They claim these benefits could be a placebo effect. Day 20. Okay, now you've been drinking human milk for 20 days, but this batch tastes a little off. If you collect the milk with an unsanitary breast milk pump or store it in an unclean container, you may contract salmonella. And if you buy the milk samples online, they may be topped up with baby formula or cow's milk. Some could even contain traces of poop. Beware of what you're buying. Day 30. After 30 days, all that breast milk you've been drinking may have strengthened your intestinal wall. A probiotic called human milk oligosaccharides could help with gastrointestinal issues like celiac disease, Crohn's, and irritable bowel syndrome. But if you think breast milk can cure cancer, I'm afraid you're wrong. Scientists at Lund University in Sweden found they could destroy some cancer cells by altering a protein in human milk. They called the protein Hamlet, which stands for human alpha-lactalbumin made lethal to tumor cells. Yeah, they were probably Shakespeare fans. To drink or not to drink? That is the question. Hamlet can slow the progression of brain tumors, bladder cancer, and colon cancer in mice, but the protein would need to be altered significantly to work in humans. And let's face it, altering human milk proteins is pretty ambitious, even if you have your own laboratory. So you'd be better off following a balanced diet and drinking water. But do you know what could happen to your body if you drank only water for a month? Well, we'll find out on another episode of Your Body On.